This video is going to show you how to access grades from a student who transfers from one section of your class to a later section or a different section of your class. So I'm going to click on my gradebook here, PowerTeacher Pro. And I had a student a couple weeks ago transfer from my first hour class into my fourth hour class. So what I'm going to do is click on Students, and you have options up here when you see students in terms of what you see. The default tends to be show enrolled students, and so here's all my students who are enrolled. But if I click up where it says show dropped, it shows me the students who are dropped. And so I can click on that student who dropped, and all of his grades that he had before he was transferred to my later section of desktop publishing are right there. And so then I can just jot those down, port them over, open a new window, whatever. But as far as I know, it is a manual entry. I don't know of a way to port them over electronically. And so you will, as far as I know, you need to enter them by hand. But other than that, pretty easy, pretty basic to access those grades from students who transfer from one of your sections to a later section.